All right, you've been injured. You're thinking about filing a lawsuit, but here's the part no one tells you. What happens right after you call a lawyer really matters. And if things aren't handled the right way in the first few weeks, it could cost you your case. It could cost you millions of dollars before it even gets going. The first 100 days aren't what most people expect. So let's talk about what really happens. I'm Mike Morse, and we've helped over 100,000 clients get the justice they deserve. What should you expect in the first 100 days after you make an injury claim? If you decide to hire our firm, the process starts right away. Your case will be reviewed by an attorney. Your file is opened, and our team is activated. We assign your case to a case manager, and you'll get a call, typically the same day, to walk you through what happens next. We'll talk about your injuries, we'll talk about your treatment, and we'll begin building a working relationship based on trust and teamwork. In the first few days, we'll check in regularly, make sure your treatment has started, or help get it started. We'll begin gathering key documents, accident reports, insurance forms, wage details, anything that supports your claim. And your role? Stay engaged. Answer our calls. Share updates. Go to your appointments. Every time you do those things, you make your case stronger. Let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions. You are not getting a check in the first 30 days. The first 100 days aren't about quick cash. They're about building your case the right way, documenting your injuries, understanding your treatment, and establishing clear liability. Now, we'll move quickly, but this is a process, and it works best when we do it together. Within the first few weeks, we'll be confirming treatment is on track, helping with referrals if needed, starting to verify your lost wages, preparing for claims with your insurance company and the at-fault driver's insurance company, helping you avoid missteps like giving recorded statements or talking to the wrong adjuster. This is when we lay the foundation, and we're with you every step of the way. By day around 45, we'll have an internal team meeting to check progress. We'll be looking at the police report and making sure that was received. We'll make sure insurance coverages are identified. We'll make sure your treatment's on track. We'll make sure that we have all key documents on hand. And we'll make sure there are no red flags, and if there are, we fix them fast. We're not guessing because we track everything, and we're making sure your case is set up for success. By day 75, we'll be pushing for objective medical tests like MRIs or specialist evaluations, because that's what helps us prove your injuries. We'll also be tracking your wage loss, your recovery, and preparing for what's next. If you've followed medical advice and stayed in touch, we'll be ready for whatever comes next. Now let's talk about what could go wrong in the first 100 days. You missing doctor appointments, not telling us about new doctors or physical therapists you're seeing, posting on social media like nothing's wrong, talking to the other side's insurance company. Each one of those can hurt your credibility and your case. That's why we tell our clients, if you're not sure, call us first. So what should you expect in the first 100 days? A legal team that communicates, a treatment plan that supports your recovery, a process that's steady, strategic, and built around you, and zero surprises, because we walk you through every step of the way. I'm Mike Morse. If you're thinking about filing an injury claim, the first 100 days matter more than you think. You focus on healing. We'll focus on everything else. Call us at 855-MIKE-WINS to get started.